Folks, Jim Zaspel here. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever wanted to flip houses, but you weren't sure how or where to get the money? Have you been stuck in a dead-end job and you're looking for a better way out? My name is Jim Zaspel, formerly dead broke landscaper. I'm a college dropout, and last year my wife and I flipped 58 houses, rehabbing houses. And here's the cool thing, I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing. That's right, if you fill out the form on this page to the right of this video, I believe it is, you can register for my upcoming free 2-hour workshop. At this workshop, I'm going to share with you the 5 secrets to success when it comes to flipping houses. How to find the deals, how to sell the deals, how to minimize your risk when it comes to dealing with contractors, and get this, how to get 100% funding for deals. What does that mean? That means I'm going to show you how and where to get private lenders to fund your deals at 100% funding, meaning you don't have to put any money into the deals. How awesome is that? It's amazing. Average profit on our deals is just shy of $30,000, $29,000 and change. Imagine what $29,000 and change will do. That's just one deal will make in your life. If you want to flip houses, if you're looking to make a financial improvement to your lifestyle, or let's say maybe you are flipping houses, but you want to increase the number of deals you're doing, you will learn what you need to do at this workshop at the date shown on the screen. So go ahead and fill out the form. It's free, no charge whatsoever. Fill out the form, and I can't wait to see you there.